What's the difference between climate-controlled storage and standard storage at Arcos? Climate-controlled units actively manage both temperature and humidity, creating a stable environment that helps guard against warping, mold, corrosion, and other moisture-related damage. That's ideal for sensitive items like electronics, antiques, photographs, and even wine collections that benefit from consistent conditions. Standard storage is great for everyday items and short-term needs when you don't require that extra layer of environmental control. If temperature swings or dampness could harm what you're storing, upgrading to climate control delivers added protection by regulating the air, not just the heat or cold. Bottom line, choose climate controlled for valuables that need stable temperature and humidity. Choose standard for durable goods that don't. If you're unsure, Arco's team and online resources make it easy to pick the right fit. Which option suits your stuff? Pop over to arcosstorage.com right now. Compare unit types and reserve the protection your belongings deserve in minutes.